Thoughts are wandering away with me today, fading into grey. Say that it's okay. Painting pictures of this silhouette in vain. Just here to speculate. No fear, I test my fate. No. Thoughts are wandering away with me today, fading into grey. Say that it's okay. Painting pictures of this silhouette in vain. Just here to speculate. No fear, I test my fate. Innocence and honesty keep signaling my brilliance. Living in this harmony, it's hard to see the change. Ignorance and poverty, we're sinking in resilience. Adrenaline, my arteries are masking all the pain. I symbolize the vigilance, we need to rise above it. It makes it hard to breathe when we're living in the flames. So make rhythms and we influence the youngers. It's like we plant the seed and watch them grow into the names.
Lately I've been studying Ibrahim Traore. What it takes to make change, blood and tears, that they assure me. Stripes and gun range, bodyguards at every doorway. Civil rights to sustain this peace over Wahala. If we had to fight, we had to die. That's why we ain't seen another Thomas Sankara. Who are you when you can change all the fortunes of your people? I'm tired too, I used to blame Western forces of evil. I'm tired too, I'm choosing pain and let my hatred try to greet you. I'm asking, can I really flex? Forget the poverty we've been through. Poppins in our section, check the strings above, you know it's lethal. And am I still collecting? I'll try protect my own peace and breeze through.
Thoughts are wandering away with me today, fading into grey. Say that it's okay. Painting pictures of this silhouette in vain. Just here to speculate. No fear, I test my fate. No.
What's up, guys? So we're already getting dressed. I am heading to a boat ride to Maiden Key. One of my friends invited me, so I'm just wearing this set. I don't know where is this from. Everything is from Shein. All the swimsuit, pants. I'm wearing a white bottom, black top. I have my sunglasses. My bag is packed. It's almost 8 o'clock, and I need to be there from 8 because the boat is leaving 8:30, and it's all the way out the Yacht Club, which is on Palisades Road, Airport Road. So we gotta get moving. I just wanted to come on, show you guys my fit. I did prepare a corned beef sandwich this morning, and then potato. I air fried the potato because and that's the only thing I have at home. Like, I didn't have any time to. I did not want to go on the road last night to get any snacks or whatever. And then I'm also bringing a bottle of wine because I have no rum, unfortunately. The little rum that I had, I finished it at the beach the other day. So I need to stock up on rum, but I have a lot of wines. I can have like 5 bottles of red wines. Anyways, I will see you guys. We're gonna have a nice, good day. Hope there's no rain. Hope it's sunny. And yeah, let's head out of here. Hey guys, so I have reached the Yacht Club that's on Palisades Road. So I got here 8:37 or something. So it's 8:40 now. So the person who invited me, she's on her way. So the girl is early. Give me a clap. I'm serious, guys. Give me a clap. Kudos to me. Anyways, I'm gonna have my sandwich. I told y'all I made corned beef sandwiches and potato wedges, but I'm gonna have me one of those corned beef sandwich right now because I only had tea this morning. So I'm gonna have that. And yeah, cheers to a good day. The sun is out. The sun will be pelping. I do have sunscreen. I need to rub it on. It's a sunscreen lotion. I really need to get the spray one. It's just so much better. Less hectic, the spray on your body. So I need to get that. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you guys are enjoying my vlogs. Always remember, just give me a comment down below, like the vlog, all of that jazz. Yeah. All right, guys. So it's 9:32. So I literally been here an hour waiting. We're not gonna talk about it, but they're ready. So let's go on the boat. So we are here. We're going on that little yacht right there. Boat, yacht, whatever they call it. And yeah, let's head on. The sun is pelting, by the way. All right. It's very cute. Very cute. Where's the bathroom? I think the bathroom should be here.
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap and flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the fight is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl.
Hey guys, so we had a good day at the beach. It's moving after 1 p.m. in the afternoon and we're gonna leave. We've been here from around 10:30. And yeah, it's a good time to come early and leave early because right now there are there's like 5 different sets of people here at Lime Cay right now. So if you guys want, just come out early, leave early, less people, less crowd, and you have the island to yourself. Anyways, I'll catch you guys when I'm at home.
Look what the hot body can do. Look, 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 look. Focus. Look what the hot body can do.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let